$5.94 for these. Like, what? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I create content to help better your lives in some way. So if you're interested in what I have to offer over here, then make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you can be a BFF, because by the end of this video you'll see I'll be your best friend in your head and you gotta keep up with your BFF, so just go ahead and do that. Thanks. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little press-on nail haul for you guys. If you are new to this channel, I am obsessed with press-on nails. If you've been here, then you've already seen that I've made I think at least about 2 videos about press-on nails. So I've been wearing them since like 2017, since when I first became pregnant with Ryan, and I wasn't really going to the nail salon, so I started wearing press-ons and I've been wearing them ever since. Like, I haven't gotten a professional full set since then, so since before then, so it's been a while. So since the pandemic and stuff, I've noticed that some of these press-on nail companies have really upped their game and really are coming out with some really cute styles, and that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. So if you're interested, then keep watching. Normally I get my press-ons from either the beauty supply store, Walmart, or like drugstores like CVS or Walgreens or something like that. So I actually got one pair from well, not one pair, but one set from the beauty supply store, and then the rest are from Walmart. The first one I'm going to show you is from the beauty supply store, and it's these here, and this is actually a newer style that they came out with. So I've bought this brand before, like the Jelly Fantasy style before, but this is the first, like, this one is a newer one here. These next 3 are again new styles for the spring, and I'm super excited about. Now this one is kind of basic, but it's kind of not, but I really like this because it's kind of neutral, and you know, it'll kind of go with a lot of stuff that I have. I like my nails to coordinate with my outfits for the most part, but this is like that ombre style that was really popular a while back but still is around. But yeah, it's that. I really like the length of these because, you know, having smaller kids, I don't want to have anything too long or anything that would poke them in the eye. So even though I want to be all glam and have my nails and stuff, I still have to be mindful of that. So this is actually about the longest I normally would go, maybe slightly longer, but I like this length. It's kid friendly for me. Next one, these are my favorite out of all the ones that I've gotten. So this is it has like a neon tip, super pretty. I am so excited to wear these for spring. I'm not gonna put them on right now. I probably wear the first pair I just showed you guys. The last pair I just showed you guys, I'll probably put those on after this video, but these I am so excited about. I saw these first and I was like, yep, I gotta get them. But these are, like I said, these are from Walmart. And guess how much? $5 and some change. Okay, $5.94. $5.94 for these. Like, what? And just think about, like, you go to a nail salon and get this done. Like, you're gonna be paying, depending on what you get, like about 50 bucks for like a fresh full set, depending on, like, you get gel or you get acrylic. I'm thinking acrylic, you probably gonna pay about 50 bucks, but excuse me. But yeah, $5.94 for each of these. Like, okay. Yes. Last ones I'm gonna show you guys are by Kiss, and this is the Voguish Fantasy. And I thought this was pretty, and it says it's it says something on here like milk or something, printed with soy ink. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so it says milk bath, so I guess that's kind of the vibe these are going for, which I can kind of see that because this white color, it looks like a milk bath. once they said that on there, I'm like, okay, I can see that. And then it has the flowers here, and again, like the glitter nails. I thought that was really pretty, like kind of fun look for spring as well. Now they did have some other styles that I really liked, but I was like, I can't be doing the most. I'm like, let me chill. That's it for today's video. Really quick, just wanted to show you guys some of the new goodies I have. Cannot wait to do my nails. I'm probably gonna do it after this video. So yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, check down below in the description box for all my social media networks. Don't forget to shop my store, shop nayaveragemama.com. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.